If you think BookingKoala is only for residential cleaning companies, think again. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use BookingKoala for your commercial cleaning business, including how to build a professional commercial walkthrough request form that helps you generate more leads. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video because I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. If you're new here, welcome. I've been running my full service cleaning company based out of New Jersey for the last 8 years. While many people know us for residential cleaning, we also provide a wide variety of commercial and specialty services, including office cleaning, janitorial services, post-construction cleaning, window cleaning, pressure washing, landscaping, floor care, and so much more. We truly are a full service cleaning company. One of the questions that I get asked all the time is, can I use BookingKoala for my commercial cleaning business? The answer is absolutely yes. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how we use BookingKoala to organize our commercial cleaning leads, schedule walkthroughs, manage our technicians, and build a professional commercial cleaning walkthrough request form that can be embedded directly onto your website or used as a standalone booking link. Before we jump in, if you're interested in trying BookingKoala for your own business, you can get a 30 free day trial by using my affiliate link in the description of this video or in my bio. Now, let's get started. One of the biggest misconceptions about BookingKoala is that it's only designed for residential house cleaning companies, and that simply isn't true. BookingKoala was built for service-based businesses. Some examples include commercial cleaning, janitorial companies, office cleaning, window cleaning, pressure washing, landscaping, lawn care, carpet cleaning, junk removal, HVAC companies, pest control, pool maintenance, handyman services, moving companies, pet waste removal, home organization, snow removal, and many more. The software is extremely customizable, which means that you can build it around your business instead of changing your business to fit the software. One of my favorite things about BookingKoala is that it keeps everything organized in one place. Instead of sticky notes, Excel spreadsheets, phone calls, emails, and handwritten calendars, everything lives inside one platform. You can schedule walkthroughs, schedule recurring cleanings, assign jobs, store client information, upload location-specific cleaning checklists, add customer notes for every location, upload before and after photos, manage invoices, collect payments, send automated review request links after every completed job, keep your entire team organized. As your business grows, organization becomes even more important. Once a walkthrough has been completed and the client decides to move forward, you can easily schedule the recurring cleanings. Every employee or subcontractor can receive their schedule directly through the BookingKoala Provider app. Instead of constantly calling or texting your team, they simply log into the app and see exactly where they're going, what time they need to arrive, and all of the important job details. Because everything is stored inside the job, your technicians can also view the customer notes, location-specific cleaning checklist, gate codes, alarm instructions, photos, and any other important information before they even arrive. Everyone stays on the same page. If you have employees, BookingKoala also allows them to clock in and out directly from the app. This gives you better accountability. You'll know when they arrived, when they left, which technician completed the work, notes they left after the cleaning, photos from the job. This is especially valuable for commercial cleaning because many jobs happen overnight or after business hours. Unlike residential cleaning, most commercial cleaning companies do not offer instant pricing. Every building is different, every office is different. Every facility has different cleaning specification. That's perfectly okay. Instead of creating an instant booking form, we're going to build a lead generation form, also known as a walkthrough form. The goal is to collect enough information so that someone from your office can contact the prospect, schedule a commercial cleaning walkthrough, and prepare a customized proposal after seeing the property. I'm going to switch over to my screen and show you exactly how I would build this. Before we begin creating the form, I want to point out that this commercial walkthrough form can be embedded directly onto your already existing website Or if you don't have a website, you can simply use it as a standalone BookingKoala link and start collecting leads immediately. BookingKoala also includes a basic website template if you're just getting started and don't currently have a website. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged in to your BookingKoala account on desktop. On the left-hand side of the menu bar, we are going to head over into the Leads module. So let's go ahead and click on Leads. Next up, we are going to click on Forms. So head over to the top and click on Forms. Now, the first 2 levels of BookingKoala do get you 1 free form, but if you want to have more than 1 form, you will need to upgrade to the Pro plan. So let's go ahead and click Create New Form, and we are going to click Embed Form, since this is what we will be doing, which is embedding it onto our website. And then click Next. And we're going to call this Commercial Cleaning Intake. And then I'm just going to write test so that I don't get it confused with my current form. Alrighty, so you can see that it already has a pre-populated form for us, which is pretty basic. It just has first name, last name, email, and phone number. But I'm going to actually show you how to make this much better in the sense that we're going to be able to collect a lot more information. So the first thing you want to do is grab a header, and we're going to drag and drop it right here. Now the header, this is where we can put book a commercial cleaning on-site evaluation. I just want to say free so that they know that they don't have to pay for this. Next up is the subheader. Okay, so now we added a header and a little bit of an instruction here for the client. Now first name and last name is fine. We will want to collect the email address and the phone number, but I do want to add the company name right above here. So let's head over to the left to grab another form element. And we're going to drag it and we are going to drop it. If you wanted to change the info here, you could, but we're just going to leave it as is. So currently we have company name, first name, last name, email, phone number. But I still want to grab the address. So let's go ahead and grab the address from the left-hand side and put it right under company name. So now we have company name, address, first name, last name, email, phone number. I still want to add a little bit more information. So let's go ahead and see what some of the options are on the left-hand side. I actually want to put a drop-down menu here so that we can figure out what kind of facility they have. So right under phone number, we're going to drag and drop this drop-down. And here you can see right now it's called drop-down, but we're going to rename it to select your facility type. Now here's where you can add a sub-label to the element. We're actually going to delete this so that it doesn't show up on the form. And then we're going to click into the Advanced tab. Now here's where you will see all of the different options that you can choose from. So I'm going to fill these out, and we're actually going to have a few different options. And to add more than 4 options, all you want to do is click Add Option, Add Option, Add Option, Add Option. Now that we've added all of the options for the different types of facilities, the next thing that we want to do is add a preferred date in which they would like us to come out and see the facility. So we're going to drag it from the left and drop it right underneath. And then we are going to pick a time. So let's drag and drop the time element. Now that we've added their select preferred time, instead of the word time, we want to write out and then actually where it says date, we want to click on it and update this as well. Beautiful. Next up, we want to leave them some space where they can leave some information. So we grabbed the text input and dragged it, and then instead of type a question, we're going to type something else. Details or requests. So let's go ahead and click preview so that we can see what this looks like so far. So book a free commercial cleaning on-site evaluation. Complete the form below to request an on-site evaluation. We will schedule a visit to review your space, take photos and measurements, and discuss your cleaning needs so we can provide an accurate, customized quote. Company name, address, first name, last name, email, phone number. Select your facility type. So we've entered all of these different facility types, and you can, of course, add more if you'd like. Select your preferred day and time for an in-person meeting. Select your preferred time, and then we actually need to just update this. For some reason, it did not save. So let's click Save and Publish. Next up, let's click Preview. Now, this is the form, what it looks like right now. You'll see that they have the drop down. If you want to add more facility types, you can. They can pick the day that they want you to come out. They can pick the time. And this is where they can add any additional details. So we're going to go back and actually delete where it says sub-element. And as you can see on the left, there are a lot of other advanced elements. I actually want to add one more section. So what I did was I came over to the left-hand side and grabbed the drop-down and dragged it right underneath the facility type. And what I did was in this section, under label, I added please choose approximate square footage of your facility. Under the sub-label, I deleted what was here, the placeholder. And then under advanced, I added all of these different options. You want to make sure to click Save and Publish, and then let's take a preview again. So now here you can see that under selecting your facility type, they can also choose the approximate square footage. That way you know how much time to schedule the walkthrough for. You'll know, if it's under 1,000 square feet, this walkthrough won't last very long. If it is 100,000 square feet, you would obviously need to book more time on your schedule. Now that we're done building the form, again, you want to make sure to hit publish. I want to show you how you would actually embed this form. So let's hit back, and we are back in the form section. This is the test form that we just created. If you want to embed this onto your website, click the drop-down options and click Embed Form. This is where you can copy and paste the HTML code and create a new web page, or paste this into an existing web page that you have on your website, and now they will be able to see that form. If you would like to use this as a standalone, then what you'd have to do is go to Options, Copy Link, and you can paste this anywhere. Under your Google My Business, on your Instagram, on your Facebook. If you don't have a full website, you can still use this form as a standalone. Make sure to test everything out and make sure it works. And then click Submit. This is what your clients will see after submitting the form. And then we're going to go back, refresh the page. Here you can see we have 2 submissions. We're going to go to Options, drop down, View Leads. Now this is the lead that we just created. And then what we can do is view the details or view the submitted form. Let's click on that, View Form. And here you can see all the information. This is when I would call the client, confirm all the details, and create the appointment by adding a booking. So just click this button and create the booking to put on your schedule. That way you now have the booking scheduled on your calendar. And that's pretty much how we use the lead form to capture information and book our free
commercial cleaning walkthroughs.
As you can see, BookingKoala isn't just for residential cleaning companies. Whether you clean office buildings, medical facilities, warehouses, schools, restaurants, churches, apartment complexes, or retail spaces, BookingKoala can help you organize your commercial cleaning business. It gives you a professional way to collect new leads, schedule walkthroughs, manage your team, organize customer information, upload property-specific checklists, and keep every job organized in one place. If you're ready to streamline your commercial cleaning business, click my affiliate link in the description below to start your 30 free day trial. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this with others in your community, and leave me a comment letting me know what BookingKoala feature you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.